Hey, welcome back to That's All We Have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Upwork account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Upwork in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna look like here in this jobs section, right? If you would like to delete your account, you're gonna go ahead, tap on at this profile icon on top. Now go ahead, go to this option called settings given just right over here. Now this kind of interface gonna pop up with all of the billing settings, the user settings which we need, and here in this section you're gonna find this option called contact info just right over here. Tap on it. Now you can see it's gonna load the information, and then just right beside here in screen text you're gonna find this option called close my account. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you're gonna go ahead, choose a reason for you to why you're quitting. Now tap on close account, and now you have simply been able to close your account right there in Upwork like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.